Hello, 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 hello. Tonight we're doing keto Brussels sprouts and hamburger gratin. Hey. I'm going to start off. I've got 4 slices of bacon and then I've got some Brussels sprouts. I need to cut this into my skillet here. So, that's the second. Got my skillet heating up. And I tell you, I've enjoyed these because I don't use bacon all that often. I accidentally got this bacon. It's a microwave bacon. Well, I like how it is packaged, and I will have to remember that. It's raw, but it's packaged up as 4 slices. And then there's like a little paper towel inside the little plastic bag, and you can microwave it, I guess. I don't know. I haven't done it because I didn't realize that's what it was. I just had bacon, and I bought it, and I thought it was already cooked because it was up right by where my already cooked bacon is at Walmart. But it was not already cooked. And anyway, so I've enjoyed the fact that it's 4 slices and you can pull them out all at the same time, and I don't have to divide up some big package of them. And don't get me wrong, it was too much and I won't buy them again more than likely. But it's just been handy, you know, it's quick and easy to grab a couple slices at a time. This is what the package looks like, and this is the little piece of paper towel type insert, and I'm guessing that absorbs the fat while it's microwaving. But anyway, so I have to do that. Hang on, let me wash this bacon off my hands, and then I'll measure out how much Brussels sprouts. I ran by Aldi because I decided that there's a lot of things that I need to use sour cream for, so I stopped and picked up some sour cream and some spinach because this recipe says serve with the side of serve with, where does it say, fresh greens of your choice. So okay, Brussels sprouts. I buy this kind. They're already halved up. It's just the Walmart brand. And now where's my scissors here? See how many ounces it says I'm supposed to, or grams I should say. Where's the recipe? Right in front of me. 220 grams of Brussels sprouts. The bag is 340, so almost, probably 2/3 of the bag. So now I'm going to put the Brussels sprouts in there. I'm going to cover it because you're cooking it till it gets done. So let's see what it says. Let me come read it to you. Fry bacon and Brussels sprouts in butter for 5 to 10 minutes until the bacon is cooked and Brussels sprouts are slightly tendered. The sprouts and bacon will cook a little more in the oven. Then you're supposed to season it and stir in the sour cream. Then I'm supposed to put it in a baking dish and cook up the ground beef and season that with salt and pepper. And I'm supposed to put that on top of the Brussels sprouts. Then I add cheese and herbs. Supposed to bake for 15 minutes. So, as we know, my ground beef is already cooked. So, just a second now, I'm gonna, instead of seasoning the ground beef, I'll season that. So I have, to get this hot enough to go in it, I'm gonna microwave this for a few minutes here. check and make sure I don't have spinach. I didn't think I did, but nope, I'm good, I don't. I'm gonna add to my salad. So when I ate lunch today, you know, I used the same Greek seasoning and stuff, and I was like, man, some black olives would go good with this. And when I went shopping the other day, I bought some of these little to-go packs, and this is actually perfect because I can use half for supper, then the other half for lunch the next day. And being me, I forgot that I had them. So when I was walking around in Aldi's, because I'm an impulse buyer, I saw these and I was like, oh, I need some olives. Yeah. No, I didn't, but I got them anyway. So I'll just keep these sealed up, so I won't open them, but I'll put them in the very back there. I'm gonna pull out, because on my spinach salad, I've got these zucchinis that I had cut up last weekend. So I'll put a couple of these on my salad. But I'll wait to make that. Let's see, so the seasoning, it calls for Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Well, I'm going to use, let's see. So I'll put Italian seasoning on it. Like I said, I'm going to season this here. And then I've got I'm going to use onion salt. And then I'm going to use some, where's my pepper? Here we go. Some of my ground white pepper. Got a little wild. I saw the nicest thing in Aldi's. The lady before me was not able to. Aldi's was not able to take whatever kind of payment she had, so she was having to put some things back, and the guy behind me jumped up and jumped forward like, I'll get it. I was like, oh, that's so nice. He doesn't know her, doesn't know anything about her, but that was very kind of him. It's nice to know that there are still kind people in the world. So, let's see. Today, when I was eating, or when I ate, I've been hungry, and my stomach's been growling since about 3. It's almost 6. So I'm going to put a little extra butter in this because, like I said, I'm using the lean ground beef. So I want to get some of the some more fat in here to help me go a little longer. I'm setting up my dishwasher here to run, but not right now. I'll tell it to run in a couple hours, so that way Terry. There. In 2 hours, so that way it's not disrupting what we're doing. Alright. So my little thing popped up saying my battery's low. I don't know when it cut off. But I was going to tell you, I don't know if I said that or if you heard this, but I was hungry today, so I added some extra butter. But now I'm going to let that cook and steam for about 5-7 minutes, and I'll plug my phone in. Alright, it has beeped that it's done. So I've got my baking dish, and I've got the oven. I just remembered, it's on 350. And let me show you close up. This is how it looks. Now, in the past I've done it and I used a smaller baking dish, but I've also used this baking dish, so, and I've done it with more veggies, but you know, now I'm trying to really follow this recipes and this meal plan, trying to do everything to the best of my ability. Okay. Alright, so let's get my sour cream too. A second here, and I'll bring it over to the camera and show y'all. See, how much does it say sour cream? It is 30 mils. Well, that's not a whole heck of a lot. So hang on, I'll show you how much I'm doing. That's some extra butter. I told you I was adding extra butter. There, maybe 30 mils of sour cream. Now I'm gonna mix this up real good here. Okay, so that's how it looks. Shut up. I'm gonna put this on top. And then it says how much cheese. All right, add cheese and herbs. Place on the middle rack for 15 minutes. All right, so where's my cheese? Oh, here. All right. How much cheese? 120 mils. Or 55 grams. There we go. That's 55 grams. Okie dokie. Show ya. There it is up close. About that thick. So the oven is not at 350, but that's okay. We're not baking a cake. So 15 minutes. Timer. And I will, oh wait, let's move over to the other part to work on the salad. Okay, I got you moved and plugged in. Wait a minute, are you plugged in? Yeah, you're plugged in. Okay. So I already put my spinach down and the olives. That's how that's looking. Looks like a yard. Looks like grass, you know, and a bunch of little bitty rabbit turds. Oh me, I'm a mess. Okay, so I've got, what I say, zucchini. I'm gonna cut this up a little bit. My refrigerator gets so cold that the outer edges of this zucchini is frozen. But that's all right. Oh, I think I hear my neighbor playing some music out there. Okay. Yeah. I'm getting one ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I really didn't have to make one up, but might as well. And then it'll all be ready. Tonight I'm going to use some Green Goddess avocado oil dressing and marinade primal kitchen. And I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on it. Okay. I'll put my lid on. That'll be for tomorrow. And I'll put my cheese away here. And I'll show you whenever that's done, and I'll put it out here for you and show you. Boy, that's awfully far down in the picture. There you go. There. Now it's a little easier to see. Anyway, okay, I'll show you whenever I add the other part. Okay, timer has gone off. Make a little space here. And that's how it looks. It's very, very yummy. I'm going to do this 2 ways here. Maybe not. Okay. There, that kind of divided it up better. I've got me a spoon. I'm scooping it up for tomorrow's lunch here. Seeing some butter in the bottom of it, so I want to get some of that in here. Now I'll be doing my meal prep tomorrow, and I already have quite a bit of the meat from last week, but I'm going to for what I don't have, I think I told you I'm gonna switch to burgers. Yeah, so that way I can use up already what's in my freezer. Okay. Oh, wait, let me get my Green Goddess dressing on it. Oh, dadgum. It's usually pretty cold, the dressing, so it comes out like real slow. All right. How about I just pick you up and bring you up close? Hold on just a second here. Put this in the refrigerator. Now, let me pause you and get you. And there you have it. Got the Brussels sprouts and bacon and ground beef and cheese and a salad. And there you go. I'm telling you, meal prep sure makes things faster.